Hello everybody, it's me again. Today I have four nice guys from United States. We say one more time this, Chicago, from Chicago. We were in Delft and Rotterdam today. And again, a common question for all of them, your impressions today, what you find so nice, what you didn't find so nice, anything else you're ready to say and would like to say. Here you are.
Alex, you did a fantastic job today on our tours. We appreciate all the information that you put out.
Everything was seamless. Everything from the transportation there to our experiences. We saw beautiful Delft. For sure go there. And we got to see a lot of Rotterdam too.
Here as well.
Well, we'll talk about that.
We'll discuss additionally about it.
Hi, everybody. Wonderful experience with Alex. Quintessential tour guide. He shared a whole bunch of information, but particularly I was fascinated with the history of Delft. The wonderful beers that he pointed out to us, except for the fruit beer that some waitress decided that she thought that we would like. But other than that, everything was fantastic.
Okay, now we know what we wouldn't order
We
next
know
time,
what we wouldn't.
right? Okay, guys, I would really like to thank you for the day today. A wonderful time we spent together, actually, and I would like a nice trip further through the Europe to spend a beautiful time. And I hope our roads will cross again in the future.
Oh, they will.
As well.
They will.
I truly believe it. Okay, one more time. God bless you. Thanks so much for the day today, and I wish you all the best.
Thank
you.
you.
Safe
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
travels to you.
Bye. Bye.